Sharing operational coordinates from the battlefield with your comrades in arms. Aiming artillery at the enemy. Sharing a video stream. How do you do it? Before streaming the video, all of your devices must be connected to each other. To do this, follow next steps. Connect your device to Atlas Relay Network. Enter Wi-Fi access point information and password. You can find this on the sticker at the device or on the top panel of the app. Open the video player for streaming and enter the appropriate URL address. The URL can be seen in the Atlas Mesh console, in the top panel of the application, or by scanning the QR code of the device. The stream is live now on your device's video player. We are now moving on to the mission of targeting artillery at the enemy. Here is a demonstration of the Atlas work algorithm with the TAC program. Open metadata settings on Atlas Station. In the destination address line, enter the number of the device, which will be used as the adjustment of the artillery. Recording with metadata line button must be on. The data is written in the next format. Name the mission in the mission identifier line. Enter the country classification and country codes of the object according to the country where you do the mission. After that, click on Set as Default. Also, you can share your screen via social networks. To do this, go to Atlas Mesh console, and make sure that Atlas Station and the drone are paired with each other. Next, go to Settings on your tablet. Make sure that Atlas Station is connected to Wi-Fi. Go to Ethernet, and then, IP configurations. Change the connection from automatic to manual. Fill in the IP address and subnet mask. Leave the router field blank. Open the selected social network application on Atlas Station and share the screen to anywhere in the world. Moreover, you can share the coordinates of the location of the enemy through other software that is approved by your country's command.